What happened?
He couldn't see it.
I came in and all I saw was the lights.
Yeah.
I didn't know what angle.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna pull up and hope it.
You
blinds
haven't
you.
flown the yak in this weather. The lights are so cool, the 3 lights, until you try to land and it blinds you.
This is gonna be
We got it down in one piece.
This is gonna be a quick flight. It's not gonna stay up too long. Frank, I'm gonna go ahead of you just to be safe.
That is scary.
Or shall we go together?
No, I'll go one behind you.
Okay, I'm going right now.
Okay, go.
Gear up, flaps up.
I'm gonna come back down the runway from the left. Okay? You cut the turn though. Oh wow, we got fog coming too. Yeah, the fog's coming. Oh shit.
What the shit?
You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
A little low and close.
Time remaining.
Yeah, this is probably going to be a 2-minute flight. I'm not going to go the whole 3 because I see fog coming. God, that fan sounds horrible.
Man, I'm flying by dead reckoning though. Holy shit.
Hey, you got to live a little, man. Come on now.
I'm landing it.
Already?
Already, baby.
Dude, I can see just fine.
I'm coming this way.
Okay, come on. Don't go too far.
No, he's good.
Okay. I've flown mine and almost pitch
Not
black.
See the plane.
Yeah, that was hard to see.
I was like, after Bernard was in there, I was like, where am I going?
Yeah.
I couldn't see it.
Yeah.
This is fun! Alright. What are you're wussing out on me, Frank?
No, I couldn't see it, man.
So you don't look at the plane, you look at the lights.
Landing flaps. 30 seconds.
As I lose complete control of my plane.
No, it's coming the
No,
way
I see it now. It went limp and weird there for a second as I'm trying to talk to you. Woohoo! Alright, I'm done.
Carrier landing in the dark.
With an F-15.
I landed downwind, bro.
Yeah.
I was like, where the fuck?
Woo!
I was like, I don't see my plane.
You know it's dark when the landing light blinds you.
Dude, the afterburner was blinding
I have to
me.
burn it too.
I
Yeah.
couldn't.
8.
I was looking, I'm like,
6.
just hope and pray. You hit left, you're like, okay, it's going left.
When I
It's gonna trust it, it's going left.
When I turned, was turning to land, everything went away. All I saw was this one light, this light. That light right there, that's it. And I'm like, okay, there we go. Because it's going like this.
Yeah. He's gonna fly that thing.
I wouldn't, shit.
Why would you?
Expired.
How are you gonna see that thing, man? Oh, he's just draining a battery.
That was fun.
That was
Dangerous,
crazy.
but fun.
Woo!